Welcome to my channel. In this video, you'll discover why about 99% of students got very simple algebraic expression wrong. And you also learn the correct way to simplify this using PEMDAS. And many students simplify this expression from this other operation. Here, 11 minus 5, that gives 6. Then multiply by 7 divided by 3. Now, here, 6 multiplied by 7, that gives 42 divided by 3. And lastly, 42 divided by 5, that gives 14. But this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach here is completely wrong. Do not make this mistake. Now, to get this right, we are going to have this. 11 minus 5 multiplied by 7 divided by 3. Right here, we are going to follow this order of operation called PEMDAS. Now, from this expression given to us here, there is no parentheses here, there is no exponent. We have multiplication and we have division. We don't have addition and we have subtraction right here. Now, it's not quite alright that multiplication and division have the same precedence, and the operation here is from left to the right, which means here, in these expressions, we are going to first of all consider multiplication because multiplication is of higher priority than division right now because the operation is from left to right. Now, the expression becomes here 11 minus 5 times 5 times 7, that gives us 35, then divided by 3. Now, next, we are going to consider division because division from the other operation is of higher priority than subtraction. Then now, here we are going to apply KCF. K mean keep, C mean change, and F mean flip. This simply implies that we are going to keep this first variable which is 35, then we change this division sign to multiplication and we flip 3, and this expression becomes 11 minus 35 multiplied by 1 all over 3. Then now if we simplify this further, you're going to have 11 minus 35 times 1, that will give us 35, then all over 3. And right here, we consider this subtraction. We subtract the fraction from the whole number. We're going to multiply this 3 by 11, and the expression becomes 33 minus 35, then all over 3. Then at this point, we are going to subtract the difference in the numerator. We have 33 minus 35, and that will give us minus 2 all over 3, and this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos, and if you have done that before, thank you so much, and ensure that you stay tuned for more videos from this channel. See you in the next